Welcome to Vogue Digital Marketing Channel. Opening scene, a clean and professional office environment. Welcome to the fascinating world of search engine optimization, SEO, where different strategies are employed to improve website visibility and rankings. Today, we'll explore three distinct categories: white hat SEO, gray hat SEO, and black hat SEO. Visual representation of a person wearing a white hat. Let's start with white hat SEO. This approach focuses on ethical and legitimate techniques to optimize a website and improve its search engine rankings. Visual representation of a person engaged in white hat SEO practices. White hat SEO practitioners strictly adhere to search engine guidelines and best practices. They prioritize the user experience and create high-quality, relevant, and valuable content. They conduct thorough keyword research and optimize website structure and design, ensuring easy navigation and accessibility. They also engage in natural link building strategies, building relationships and earning backlinks from reputable sources. Visual representation of a person wearing a gray hat. Narrator, moving on to gray hat SEO. This approach lies somewhere in between white hat and black hat SEO. Visual representation of a person engaged in gray hat SEO practices. Gray hat SEO practitioners may employ tactics that are not explicitly prohibited by search engines but may push the boundaries of acceptable practices. They might experiment with strategies like purchasing expired domains for backlinks or participating in link exchange schemes. While these techniques may not necessarily violate guidelines, they can be seen as questionable or less ethical. Visual representation of a person wearing a black hat. Lastly, we have black hat SEO. This approach involves using manipulative and deceptive techniques to achieve quick gains in search engine rankings. Visual representation of a person engaged in black hat SEO practices. Black hat SEO practitioners intentionally violate search engine guidelines and focus on exploiting vulnerabilities. They might engage in practices like keyword stuffing, where excessive keywords are used to manipulate rankings. They may also employ cloaking, which shows different content to search engines and users. Additionally, they may participate in link schemes, purchase low-quality backlinks, or engage in other spammy practices. Visual representation of search engine penalties and negative consequences. It's important to note that black hat SEO techniques come with severe risks. Search engines are continually evolving their algorithms to detect and penalize such practices. The consequences can range from a drop in rankings to complete removal from search results. Visual representation of a person wearing a white hat. In contrast, white hat SEO focuses on long-term success and credibility. By following ethical practices, providing valuable content, and prioritizing the user, websites can establish trust with search engines and users alike. Visual representation of a person engaged in white hat SEO practices. White hat SEO practitioners strive to create an excellent user experience, ensuring their websites are fast, user-friendly, and optimized for various devices. They conduct extensive keyword research and incorporate relevant keywords naturally into their content. They focus on creating engaging and informative content that answers users' queries, and they utilize proper heading tags, meta descriptions, and alt text to improve the accessibility and visibility of their pages. Visual representation of a person wearing a gray hat. Gray hat SEO practitioners often experiment with unconventional tactics that are not explicitly forbidden but may be viewed with caution by search engines. They might utilize strategies like private blog networks, PBNs, or automated software for link building. While these techniques may yield short-term gains, they carry a certain level of risk and may not provide sustainable results. Visual representation of a person wearing a black hat. Narrator, black hat SEO practitioners adopt high-risk techniques solely aimed at manipulating search engine rankings. They disregard search engine guidelines and focus on exploiting loopholes. These tactics might include spamming comment sections, creating doorway pages, or engaging in negative SEO practices, such as building low-quality spam links to competitors' websites. Visual representation of a person wearing a white hat. In conclusion, understanding the distinctions between white hat SEO, gray hat SEO, and black hat SEO is essential for making informed decisions about optimizing your website. While black hat techniques may promise quick results, they come with significant risks and can lead to severe penalties from search engines. On the other hand, white hat SEO focuses on building a credible online presence through ethical practices, user-centric content, and adherence to search engine guidelines. Closing scene: a person using white hat SEO practices and witnessing gradual improvement in search engine rankings. By embracing white hat SEO techniques, you can establish a strong foundation for long-term success, gain the trust of search engines and users, and achieve sustainable organic growth. Remember, it's not just about ranking high in search results, but also about providing value and a positive user experience. Thanks for watching videos. Like, share and subscribe Vogue Digital Marketing.